In this video, we are going to go over how to add an apprentice to the Apprenticeship Illinois group. When you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, it will take you here to the group search page. Any group that you have access to will be listed here. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. Before you add a new apprentice to the system, you'll want to make sure that you do a search. And the new participant's name is Claudia Green. So I've typed in the first and last name, and then I click the search button. So I can see down in my search results that Claudia has not been added to the system. So I am going to clear out the name, and I'm going to come down to the Add Customer button. And we are going to need the first name, last name, date of birth, email, I am using the email address of claudia@noemail.com, but you will want to make sure that you use the correct email address for the apprentice. The social is required. The intermediary group will automatically be listed based on your login information. And it will give you a message if you put in information that does not match. So you want to make sure you go back and fix it because it won't let you move forward. And finally, we need to put the zip code in. After you've put in all the information, you'll want to click Search for Existing Customer. This is going to do a search on the back end to see if the apprentice already has an Illinois workNet account. In this case, it looks like Claudia does not. So it has provided a username and a password. You'll want to write those down for the apprentice because they will need that information when they log into the system. Any assessments they do should be done under that account so that you'll also have access to see those assessments as well as the scores. And then down at the bottom, you have three options. You can send the customer link to the initial application. So you can send a link to the customer for the initial application. If Claudia is sitting next to you, you would click the complete initial application with customer. And then if Claudia is not with you and you are just doing data entry to get the apprentices into the system, you would click Add Next Customer.